Welcome to the GSS-MOBILE-SR and MR feature spotlight. In this video, we'll highlight three powerful hardware features that enhance your GS mobile experience. Image upload, SmartScan OCR for printed text, and standard and mid-range barcode scanning. These tools are designed to boost accuracy and efficiency on the shop floor. Let's dive in. GS Mobile now includes a powerful image upload feature, supported by EMS Barcode certified hardware. This feature requires Global Shop 2023 or higher. Users can attach images directly during a transaction, like receiving, issuing, or completing work orders, or use the Mobile Uploads app to associate images at any time. This saves valuable time compared to emailing photos, saving them in multiple locations or worse, missing a picture when it's needed most. Whether you're documenting damaged shipments, capturing quality control checks, or recording what a product looked like when it left your facility, image uploads provide the visibility and accountability your shop floor needs. We'll walk through how to take a photo and link it directly to a transaction. For this example, we'll use the PO Receipts transaction. Start by tapping on PO Receipts. Enter the PO number and hit Submit. Fill in the necessary information in Section 1. In Section 2, you will select an option for document groups. Click on Choose File. Select the camera icon. This will activate the camera, allowing you to frame your subject and take the photo. You can click the retake icon to take another picture or click the check mark to accept the image. Click the Upload file. Click Save Attachments and Submit. This section demonstrates how to attach a saved photo to a record using the mobile upload transaction on your GSS-certified mobile computer. Start by tapping Mobile Upload. Choose the appropriate link type. Enter the details needed to find the specific record you want to attach the image to. In this example, we'll use a PO master, but you can follow the same process for other record types in your system. Enter a PO number. Click on Add Attachments. Select an option for document groups. Click Choose File to browse your device's stored images and select the photo or file you want to attach. After selecting the image, click Upload File. Then click Save Attachments to confirm the upload and finalize the process. At any point, you can tap the left Scan button to launch the camera and take a photo. This feature lets you capture important images on the spot, whether it's documenting damage, recording a pallet before shipment, or adding visual proof to a transaction. The camera allows you to frame your subject and take the photo. You'll have the option to retake the image or confirm it before saving the image to the device. The partnership between Global Shop Solutions and EMS Barcode Solutions continues to bring new value to customers, combining certified hardware with seamless software integration to capture accurate, real-time data on the shop floor. One of the latest innovations is SmartScan, a tool designed to quickly and accurately convert printed text into digital data. With SmartScan, users can capture critical information, such as purchase order numbers, serial numbers, heat numbers, or even weight values from a scale, directly into Global Shop, without the need for barcodes. This is a game changer for receiving, quality control, and production processes where precise data capture is essential, but barcodes aren't always available. This example will demonstrate how SmartScan works during a bin-to-bin transfer. With your cursor in the field you want to input the data, press the FN button to engage SmartScan for text capture. Point the camera at the printed label or area you want to scan. SmartScan will automatically extract any printed text. Tap the green button to confirm the result and have the data automatically inserted into GS Mobile. The EMS barcode configuration formats the captured text so the system accepts it just like a scanned barcode. In this example, we're using SmartScan to read the to-bin location because the barcode is damaged. This is a perfect example of how SmartScan adds flexibility and value on the shop floor. It's a fast and accurate way to capture key information without manual entry. When choosing between a standard and a mid-range mobile computer, it's not about different devices. It's about choosing the right configuration for your shop floor. The GSS-MOBILE-SR and GSS-MOBILE-MR are built on the exact same rugged platform. The only difference? The scan engine. The SR model features a standard range scan engine with a vibrant red laser crosshair. Ideal for indoor and outdoor scanning up to 3 feet. It's perfect for close-range tasks like scanning bin location labels, checking part numbers, or assisting with quick inventory lookups. The MR model steps it up with a mid-range scan engine, equipped with a highly visible green laser aimer. This wide aim pattern is up to 7 times more visible than traditional red dots, making it easier to target barcodes accurately, even from a distance, and in challenging lighting conditions. The MR scans flawlessly up to 15 feet, capturing even damaged, low-contrast, or shrink-wrap barcodes. Ideal for warehouse receiving, inventory management, and cycle counts. Same hardware, 2 powerful options. Choose the scan engine that fits your environment and get the job done right. When it comes to scanning barcodes at a distance, not all labels are created equal. Several factors directly impact how far your device can successfully read a barcode. First, barcode size. Larger barcodes are easier to read from farther away. If you're printing small labels and expecting long-range performance, you may be limiting your device's potential. Next, label quality and material. Low contrast or reflective surfaces can reduce scan range significantly. Using high-quality labels rated for your environment is key to consistent performance. To ensure your scan engine and label design are aligned, we recommend speaking with an EMS barcode consultant. We'll help you select the ideal barcode size, type, and material to optimize scan performance in your specific environment.